guys, look what I have. It's another Belgique cookware. It's the 5-quart stainless steel saute pan. I do like stainless steel. So I got the other set, the 11-piece set, and I did a video on that. I was pretty impressed with it, so I got this one too. The 11-piece has a 3-quart stainless steel saute, but I wanted something a little bigger so I can make pasta and whatnot in there. So I got the 5-quart. So let's open it up and see what we got. Alright, so here we go. It's out of the box. And it's the same care card like the set. Comes with a lid. It's not glass, so you can't see through it. There we go. Got that there. And because this is a little heavier than a 3-quart, it does have a helper handle. Okay. Don't really need it, but hey, it helps. That's why it's called a helper handle. Okay, that was lame. Anyhow, that's the 5-quart. I'll show you the 3-quart. Oopsies. There's the 3-quart. Okay. Let's compare the lids. See there? Alrighty. 3-quart can fit right into the 5-quart. I don't know if you care about that. But it's stainless steel. It'll stick if you don't take care of it. So make sure you season it very well and use some oil. Heat it up. So that's the 3-quart, and the hefty 5-quart. It is heavy. Alright, so that's the 5-quart. It's hefty compared to the 3-quart here, okay? So thanks for watching. Catch you all later. Bye-bye.